Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your LENOVO Tab P11 louder. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Or just type the volume app. And now you can see there we have a few boosters. I'm always using this one. So now we have to click 3 times no thank you and close the window. Okay, now it's active. You can boost your volume speaker on this little slider. So just adjust it, turn it. If you want to increase the volume booster, just you can see the 16 is max. If you want to decrease it a little bit, just slide the slider to the left. And okay, now if you go back, the tool is still active. If you want to turn off it from the background, just open this up, click stop service, and okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.